Today we'll be in Port St Lucie checking out a model in the brand new Wylder development, which is just north of Tradition in St Lucie West, and is going to be a whole master plan community that'll have different neighborhoods and builders, shopping and dining, lakefront clubhouses with pools, gyms, sports courts, and all of this is going to be interconnected with trails and nature and be really walkable. They're going to have homes that you can build and some that are already under construction that'll be ready sooner and are for sale. So if you're looking for a new home in this area, reach out to me directly and we can work together to go over all of your options and find the right home for you. So here we have their Raleigh model, and this home is the largest home that the builder offers, and it's going to give you almost 2,900 square feet under air, 5 bedrooms and a den, 2.5 bathrooms, and downstairs you'll find the owner suite, and all of the other bedrooms are upstairs and situated around the bathroom with 2 sinks and a privacy door for the toilet and shower tub combination. And all of their homes come standard with impact windows, a gas stove, and tankless gas water heater. And with this builder, you don't have to wait a year to build. From scratch, it takes about 6 to 8 months. Or if you're looking for something more move-in ready, they do have some homes for sale that are already under construction. So if you want more information about those and you want to see more of their homes, you should reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be able to help and work with you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. So I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area and want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.